I'm in there, and Gordon took video to prove this. All right, because I'm telling you, you can't make this up. Okay, so I told you a little bit earlier that you can't make this stuff up, and you can't. Me and my buddy Gordon were down here in South Carolina. We walk into an antique shop. That sounds like a joke. Two guys walk into an antique shop, and we ask them, the guy says, "Hey, how you doing?" And we ask him, "Do you have any Hot Wheels?" So the guy says, yeah, I got Matchbox and stuff like that. So, but this other guy, he starts to walk out. He says, "Yeah, I got a whole tub full of Hot Wheels. It's just across the street." So, we're both looking at the guy that owns the place, and he says, "Yeah, go ahead, go across the street." So first the guy wants us to ride in his car, and it took him like a half an hour to get to his car, which was right outside the door. So we said, "No, we'll follow you in our car." So we're sitting behind him. He gets to his car, puts his hand in his pocket, pulls his hand out of his pocket, and like 4 sets of keys fall out of his pocket. A bunch of change falls out of his pocket. Papers fall out of it. I don't know how he had everything in that pocket. So he finally gets into his car, and we're waiting on him. And it's like 5 minutes, and he hasn't gone anywhere. So he finally starts it up, and he pulls out, and we follow him. And we're thinking, like, it's already been 10, 15 minutes. He gets out to the road, and he takes off like 100 miles an hour. Okay. We follow him. It takes us 5 minutes to get to where he had to go, which was a storage unit. We get to the storage unit, and he's punching in numbers, and he has no idea what numbers he's punching in to get into the storage unit. So finally, the guy that runs the place comes out, tries to help him out, goes back in, gets the guy's account, comes back out, punches in the numbers, the gates open, and the guy doesn't go, and the gates close. And we're sitting behind him. We have no idea how to get in anyway. So he has to punch in the numbers again, and we're hoping that he's going to take off in time for the gates, before they close, and he did. So we finally get in there. He finds his storage unit, which I had to look at the paper to find his storage unit. Look, that's what the traffic, we're in a traffic jam, by the way. So we get to the storage unit, opens up the storage unit, and he says the Hot Wheels are in a blue bin. Now, there's not a blue bin anywhere. He gets to the back of the storage unit, and he's like throwing stuff. He takes this bin out, throws it, takes another bin, throws it, stuff all over the floor. What are these guys doing? They're walking, holding a flag.
That's what was going on this morning, I told you.
Oh, okay. There's somebody walking, and the cops are in front of them and back of them holding a flag. Never saw that kind of flag. Oh, watch out for more cops. See, it's a good thing you're driving and I'm on the phone. So I'm in there, and Gordon took video to prove this, all right? Because I'm telling you, you can't make this up. I'm in there, and he says, it's a blue bin. And he's just taking stuff and throwing it. And the bins are opening up, and he's climbing on them. And Gordon's smart enough to be standing outside just in case, the place closes up and I'm locked in there, So I turn around, and Gordon's videotaping. Well, that's the videotape we're going to send later. But the guy's just throwing stuff. It's in a blue bin. There were no blue bins in that place. Well, no, I did. I found one blue bin, right?
One blue.
He said, nope, it's darker blue bin. I said, man, there's no blue bin. So I got my phone and I turned the flashlight on, and he's shining it all. I shine it all around, and he takes my phone and he's throwing stuff, and I'm thinking, oh, there goes my phone on the floor. So we were in there for quite a while. No blue bins, except the one. Stuff all over the floor. I had to climb out.
He wouldn't let you open the one.
Right. The one blue bin I did find, he wouldn't let me open. I don't know what was in it, but yeah, like I said, you can't make this stuff up. So I said, well, maybe, we'll come back later. He said, no, I'll find it. It's in a blue bin. Well, we know that. But there were no blue bins. So after he ended up throwing stuff all over the place and had to climb out, I said, you know what? If you find it, bring it to the guy across the street, and I'll be back in a couple of days, and we'll look for it then. But that's it. Like I said, you cannot make this stuff up. But that's it. Thought I'd help you, have a little fun in your day there, and tell you how my search is going for the day today. Right now, I'm going back to the hotel or the condo, and we're gonna have some dinner. So, I want to thank everybody for watching, and all the friendship out there. You guys are great. Love you all. And hey, there's my son Cody. He's probably wondering, hey, Dad, we gonna eat or what? So, hi Kirk. Hi Jay. Terry. Old guys rule. We don't drool, we rule. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you later. 6-2 and even. Over and out.